Broken.
Go, you drive. Faster, you drive properly. Oh, you watch out.
Enough!
Why?
Enough!
Why enough?
Bakit Jen already drive?
You drive na. You park your car. Slowly.
Mom,
Yes.
that's how the ball.
You know how. You try it. You go. Faster. What are you doing? You park your car first,
Mom, I
okay?
need to go in the back and then push my car over
No, cannot. You must do it properly. Oh, yeah. Faster, so faster. Faster. Faster na, so Papa will buy you a big car again. Faster. I don't like this. Okay, you try first. Faster. I will give that to Stephen. I know. I will give this to EJ and baby Wayne.
My engine them are bigger.
Now that's why. Oh, go faster. You park your car first.
Okay, and then I'll be driving so fast.
Okay.
And then like,
Don't make so fast. Oh, slowly.
what's your name?
Mm. You park your car now. Slowly. Faster. I'm not joking. I want to bet you now. You don't drive so fast.
This is fast. Okay, then what's your name? Okay? I say, what's your name? I say, I shout.
Faster. You sing first. The Bahasa song.
This is our
No, the Bahasa song.
Baba baju mudu susu makawabi
And how about the English song?
Huh?
The brushing teeth.
This is the way I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth early in the morning. You
Wow.
like my song?
I like so much. Okay, you can park your car now. Slowly.
Yeah. Did the camera go there?
Yes.
And go.
Enough. You park properly. Not so fast. Oh, enough. Enough. Fast. Okay, do nicely again. Reverse the car. Okay, enough. Don't. There. Faster, do nicely the steering wheel properly. Okay. Okay, a little bit. Okay, enough? Go. Okay, reverse a little bit. Then, go park. Park your car. Mm. Faster! Last time you know, why now you don't know anymore? Okay.
You must have this one.
Cannot! You do nicely.